There are only 10 days left until the SEC can file an appeal over the deal. We are going to discuss about the future price of XRP today, and let's get started with something fresh. It is expected that XRP will trade at 59 cents, and its market value is estimated to be $3.5 billion. Additionally, XRP has climbed by 2% over the past 7 days. Furthermore, we are currently in a trading range, as well as an area ranging from 53 to 60 cents, and I believe that this range will continue to exist over the next few days. In addition, I believe that XRP will surpass 60 cents within the next several days. In the coming days, and I believe in the coming few days, we will be able to observe XRP prices that are higher than the 63 and 66 cent sector. When it comes to support levels, XRP is likewise a cryptocurrency that has support levels. The initial support level is 50 cents, followed by 75 cents, and finally 56 cents. The price of XRP will rise to more over 60 cents if our SSE does not raise an appeal. My prediction is that XRP will be around 53 cents if SSA decides to file an appeal. Consequently, and if we want to discuss yet another fascinating aspect, food is being distributed in the meantime, and there are reports that the SSE will most likely appeal the decision that was made in July 2023 over the XRP programmatic sales. On the other hand, I don't think they have already stated that they accept the verdict on that and that they are just trying to get you out of the situation, but you won't sell. And I will never let go, I will keep going till the very end. Due to the fact that there was a technical infringement of the failure to register those prior sales, she did implement a fine of $125,000. This was done in order to remain in compliance with the law. We are looking forward to moving forward with this matter, which is something that we will pay with cash that is taken from our balance sheet. Furthermore, it is hoped that this will not only be a turning point for Ripple, but that it will also be a turning point for this administration in terms of their policy regarding cryptocurrency and, in addition, if we are discussing appeals, it is highly probable that the SEC will appeal the verdict regarding XRP programmatic sales, which will deter the ongoing legal drama. The Securities and Exchange Commission's SEC livery is said to be extremely confident that the regulator will appeal the 2023 programmatic sales of XRP verdict in the case against Ripple. Attorney Jeremy Hogan has recommended the SEC to argue it towards the rulings of the appeal in order to ensure that it fulfills its duty. In addition to this, according to a veteran SEC lawyer who just left the agency, the SEC will most likely appeal Judge Torres' July 2023 order regarding the XRP programmatic sales in the Ripple case. This is due, in part, to the fact that everyone working at the SEC is firmly convinced that the decision is correct. My opinion is that the Securities and Exchange Commission SEC had done it for a period of 1 year, beginning in July 2023, and I believe that the SEC will not appeal Judge Torres' order from July 2023. Additionally, if we are to discuss MEMA, the year is 2059, the garlinghouse jazz enthusiast Ripple is collaborating with the authorities, and Twitter is awash in charts depicting the 29000-day triangle that is on the verge of breaking. In addition to the fact that this is a lot of fun, I believe that you should keep XRP and then buy it when its price drops. So if we are going to discuss yet another fascinating fact, is XRP considered a security? In addition to putting Daniel Gary Gensler in his place, Warren Davidson is currently working to pass legislation that would allow him to be fired, and things are looking up thus far. Conduct a pre-IPO document review? I believe you use the phrase pre-IPO documents if you are going to take a company public, you are required to do so, and the staff of the SEC will analyze those documents to ensure that they are in conformity with the regulations. Indeed, is Coinbase a firm that is traded on public exchanges? Are you sorry? Is Coinbase traded on public exchanges? Indeed. To begin, the Securities and Exchange Commission SEC granted permission for ordinary investors and pension funds to invest in a business called Coinbase, which, based on your previous statements, you appear to believe was involved in illegal activities. In the public filings that they made in the S-1 before to the initial public offering, they detailed all of their actions. Do I have it right that you have stated that you believe Coinbase is selling securities that have not been registered? I will reiterate that I will not be speaking to anyone. On the contrary, you mentioned that they are selling securities that are not registered. You are making your comments public here. To my mind, with all due respect, I am looking forward to hearing your definition of that because I am making an effort to watch my step. I hope this helps you refresh your memories. The Securities and Exchange Commission SEC stated that Ethereum Max is a security in the Kim Kardashian settlement. She was able to strike a compromise over the promotion of an unregistered security. Ethereum Max is the security that has not been registered. Do you have any charges against the issuers of Ethereum Max for providing a security that is not registered? An agreement was reached with a famous person, and that person is Ms. Kardashian. However, she has only recently promoted it. Ethereum Max is not something that she manages. According to the individuals that provide Ethereum Max, have you stated that it is a security that has not been registered? It is true that we did so in that settlement, sir. Okay, the trading is still going on. Is Ethereum a viable option? Is Ethereum now considered a security? It was like this. I was able to hear your conversation. Since the year 2015, they have been existing. In your assertions, you claim that there is clarity in the market and that the regulations are clear, therefore, you should consider entering the market. The question is not even something you can answer. XRP is a security, according to you? In the meantime, we are engaged in litigation and conversations regarding that matter. Legal action has been taken against you because you assert that it is a security. As you are aware, let's proceed at a more leisurely pace. As you are aware, qualified custodian banks would be effectively unable to provide custody relating to crypto assets as a consequence of a punitive capital impact under accounting provisions listed in Staff Counting Bulletin 121. You are in agreement that the bulletin ought to be revised, right? When it came to the counting issue, I believe that the staff addressed it and rightly recognized that the crypto assets that are currently being held in custody are not separated, or whether they are. It is important that bankruptcy remote and bankruptcy be accurately included on the financial statements of public companies. I really wish I had the time to get into the ESG rule and everything else, but Chairman Gensler, your track record of failing to safeguard investors and abusing authority makes it abundantly evident that we need to reform this period of exchange commission. There have been a great number of failures, but I will mention a few of the abuses. You have an average of more than 2 rule proposals per month, you have comment periods that are unreasonably short, and you have ESG disclosure demands on the market that are both impracticable and illegal. When it comes to cryptocurrency, you have a regulation that is similar to that of a hotel in California, in which you can check in whenever you want, but you can never leave. Despite the fact that there is no resolution and no clarity for the captives, you have an unending discovery. Within the market, you have ideas that are not feasible for reorganizing the structure of the equities market, and you have proposed a custody rule that would effectively prohibit cryptocurrency. There is a significant turnover rate among your employees. People who are dissatisfied with their jobs are leaving your office, and businesses and capital are fleeing our country. In order to rectify a lengthy string of wrongdoings, I am proposing legislation that would remove the chairman of the Securities and Exchange Commission and replace him with an executive director who would report to the board, which would be the location of all authority. Under my proposed legislation, individuals who have previously served as heads of the Securities and Exchange Commission will be ineligible. Moreover, this is not simply my opinion. It is felt throughout the entire spectrum of political beliefs. The citizens of the United States of America seek democratic access to finance and involvement from regular investors. You cannot just declare that excluding ordinary investors from markets is for their own benefit and then proceed to do so. To function properly and thrive, our marketplaces are required. In addition, I give in. Talk about another interesting fact: nothing can stop this train. The rectangle that has been in existence for 7,857 days is about to break, and the train is leaving the station. The rocket is leaving the launch pad, and the camels are leaving the stables. Additionally, XR3 is following the exact same accumulation cycle that it did before our bull run in 2017. XRP was one of the best performing altcoins in 2017, including beating Ethereum. I am quite certain that this is going to start a new cycle very soon, especially considering all of the discussion that has been going on about the XRP ETF that is going. To my mind, however, XRP is now in the midst of the new bull cycle, and I believe that this year, 2022 to 2023, and this year, also this entire period, which spans 3 years, will be considered accumulation years. This is the time when whales are purchasing XRP, and accumulation XRP is more XRP is more XRP. In my opinion, we will be able to see XRP reaching a higher price than its all-time high, which is higher than $3.30, and I believe that this will occur in the year 2025. In addition, I anticipate that the cryptocurrency market will enter a new world cycle in the year 2025. I believe that Bitcoin is now in the new world cycle, and I do not believe that it will be possible to see Bitcoin at $30,000 or $20,000 within the next 2 years. Thank you very much for watching, gentlemen. This video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I wish you the best of luck.